Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then Keyboard and Input Method, keyboard that you're currently using, and Theme. Tap on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!